How to install texture packs for Minecraft Java. So first, just exit out of Minecraft and open up your browser. Now, once you're on your browser, you could just search for the texture pack that you want. So I already have one in mind, which is the Faithful Resource Pack or Texture Pack. But if you want to browse for more texture packs, what you can do is go to a website called CurseForge. So as you can see, go to CurseForge right here, curseforge.com, then click on Minecraft. And here you will see a ton of mods or texture packs that you want. As you can see, popular resource packs you could pick from right here. But for me, I'm gonna go with the one that is called Faithful Resource Pack. Now you just simply need to download the resource pack that you want. So I'm just gonna go right here, click on See More, click on Downloads, wait for it to load, and pick the version that is corresponding to what version of Minecraft you are playing. So I'm currently on 1.21. So I'm just gonna download it right here. And I'm just gonna place it on my desktop for easier access. Now once it's done downloading, I'm just gonna exit out of my browser first. Now we're gonna open up Minecraft again. So I'm just gonna open up my Minecraft launcher and I'm just gonna click on play on my Minecraft. Make sure that Java is selected and just wait for it to load. Now once it's opened up, you just simply need to click on options. I'm just gonna minimize this. Gonna go back. Then just click on resource packs. As you can see, you will see the available resource packs and the selected. So what we want to do now is just simply click on open pack folder, just like so, and it will open up the resource pack folder for our Minecraft. Then what you can do is just simply move the folder that we downloaded earlier or the resource pack that we downloaded earlier. So as you can see, I've put my resource pack earlier on my desktop. So what I can do now is just simply drag it to this folder right here. Once it's done, just exit out, and as you can see, it will pop up right here on the available folder right here. So just simply click on the play button right here and make sure that the texture pack is here on the top so that the Minecraft Java will use that texture pack to play the game. Because if the default one is on top, it will use the default texture pack instead of the one that we downloaded. So make sure that the texture pack that you want to use is on top. Now when it's done, just simply click on done and Minecraft will reload. So just wait for it and click on done, and now I'm going to show you guys. So even on the menu, you will see that it is more detailed and stuff. So it's more sharp for me. Just going to open up this world. And as you can see, it is way more sharp compared to the normal or default one. Even the HUD or like the menu right here is more sharp. It's more detailed. It's pretty good. I like it. It's more clear. So it's clearer than the default one. It's better in my opinion. But that's how I basically install texture packs for Minecraft Java.